Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to see fluid flow, pressure drop, volume, velocity. So here we have this material we have taken for this wall, structural steel, and we have water. Gravity is acting on the model. Fluid temperature initial is 22 degrees Celsius. Non-slip walls we have defined. The flow we have defined inlet 1 that will be have 0.0 meter per second at 50 degrees Celsius. Inlet 2 1 meter per second fluid is flowing 22 degrees Celsius. And so flow 3 we have to calculate. So here we'll solve this, and where we can see the velocity that will be coming 1.74 maximum to 2 maximum. We can also check static pressure 763 maximum. Total pressure we can calculate. We can also check temperature and vortices lambda. So these all things we can check, and we can also play the simulation and we can see the flow. We can see the flow of liquid. So this flow we can see in a streamline flow or maybe in the particle flow. So how we want to see, we can take the option and we can see that flowing of the fluids. Thank you for watching this video.